In front of me is a BLU Vivo Go, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. And as you can see, the device in front of me is already locked, so without actually providing the correct email address and password for it, I wouldn't be able to set up the device or with a passcode, which was before that. So if you want to bypass this, number one, you want to connect to Wi-Fi, which I already am, considering you could see the screen for verification. So connect to Wi-Fi and then go back to the first page right here. And now we want to tap on Start, Skip, and it will bring up this page right here. So tap on Privacy Settings, then view BLU's privacy policy. There we go. And at the top you will find Privacy Policy, the second option, and it brings you up this wall of text. So what you want to do here is just hold your finger on any kind of word, it doesn't really matter where. It will select the word and it will give you an option to share it. So tap on Share and you will find here Google or Gmail. So instead of tapping on Gmail like you would normally do to choose it, you can actually hold it and it will bring you up Info option. So tap on that one. And let's go to Advanced. Where is it? Okay, so notifications, I think it is. Then let's go. Yep. So once more, it's notifications, and then go into advanced and additional app settings in the app, like so. And tap on the three dots right here, help and feedback. Good on, press it. There we go. And it brings you into support here. So help and feedback. Stop on the search bar and type in Morse, M-O-R, and that's enough. And you will see use Morse code. Tap on that. Wait for it to load up. And you will see the video. Tap on the video. It will start loading. So tap on the three dots once it has, and watch later. Now once it opens up Chrome, just want to tap on accept and continue, okay, and we don't want to log in, so no thanks. And from here, tap on the search bar and type in HardReset.Info. There we go, HardReset.Info, and let's go. And from the website, you want to tap on the three bars up here and go into download. Then in the download field, search for Android 8. And you'll see FRP bypass up right here. Tap on the download on the bottom right there, and then once more scroll down and you'll find another download button right here. Tap on continue once you do, allow, and OK, and it should download it, and you will have this pop up and you can tap on open. So just tap on that. Now I'm actually also gonna go into an option that can sometimes happen where it doesn't want to download. So if you already seen the open button, disregard what I'm gonna say right now. If you didn't, and you can go into downloads from here, and you will see that it's stuck at 100% and never finishes. Just disregard that, tap on the three dots and just delete it, and then go back to here, and instead of just tapping on this, you want to hold it and open it in incognito tab, like so. And this will open it up here and provide you with the download. Then you can tap on download and it will download it, no problem. So like so. And from there you can tap on open once it has. And now once you do open it up, you can now follow along. Once you open it up, tap on the settings here. Once it shows up the option, and then enable here, go back, and now you'll be able to install it. So tap on the install button, wait for it to install, and once it has, tap on open. And here we are in the app that we have just installed. So first thing first, go into Google Account Manager APK install right here and choose for version 6.0. Again, go into the settings, enable, checkbox right here, and go back and install. And once it's installed, click on done, and you will be back in the FRP bypass app. And now choose the other option, which is bypass FRP right here, and choose browser sign in. And then tap on the 3 dots right here, and again choose browser sign in. Confirm it by tapping on OK. Go. And give it a moment, and it will open up the Google login. So from here you can create an account if you wish. I would advise you, if you don't have a Google account, to create it on your computer rather than on here. And once you do, you just want to log in with it over into here. So I'm going to use mine. Let's tap on next, and I'm going to put in a password for it. So let me just do that quickly. And choose sign in, and you'll see that it's logging in right now. Give it a moment, and once it has, it goes straight back to the FRP bypass app. So from here, hold the power key and simply choose restart, and wait for the device to actually restart. Now what this did is, once the device is back up and we go to the setup process again, you'll see that instead of verifying your account, it will show you the account that you have provided as the one that has been added. And basically you can now finish the setup process of your device, but the process is not finished yet, so keep that in mind. So once we get access to the home screen, we'll still perform a reset of the device. So basically a factory reset, which will remove the account that we have added right now, plus the old account, which is not actually stated there, but it performs that. Okay, so let's go to the setup fairly quickly. Now I advise just to skip through basically everything on here. It doesn't really matter what we choose right now, considering we're going to perform a reset of the device anyway. Okay, so let's don't copy anything. And just tap on next, and you just seen right there that there was account added, and it was the one that I have provided before the restart. Just tap on next. More, and accept. Skip this. Not now, and skip anyway. No thanks. No thanks. Just tap on next again. Yes. Next. And we should be now on the home screen. So from here, we want to go straight to the settings. Scroll all the way down to System, then Advanced, and you'll have Reset options. Tap on that, and here you have Reset all data, Factory Reset, and it gives you all the things that will remove, along with the account that you have added, and also it includes the previous account that it doesn't actually show here. So I just tap on Reset, erase everything, and once the process is actually finished, the device then will be fully unlocked and you can then set it up as however you like. So I'll be back once the reset is finished. And as you can see, now the process is finished, so we can now set up the device. Now this time around you can go through the setup process as however you like, so you can connect to Wi-Fi, not connect if you wish to, set up your Google account and all the kind of protections that you want to, and the device will be fully unlocked and basically yours. So just skip this. Now again, I'm gonna primarily skip through everything, but I'll stop on the key points that actually matters, for instance like the Wi-Fi, which I am actually able to skip now, which if the device would be still locked, I would not be able to, this option wouldn't be even there. So just tap on next, more, and accept. Now you can add a fingerprint if you want to. I'm gonna skip this just to save on time. Pattern and any kind of other protection you can also add. And just tap on next over here, and yes, next, and we're done with the setup. And you can see there is no need for confirmation to confirm anything. We have skipped the Wi-Fi altogether and everything is working just fine now. So that is how you would bypass the Google verification screen on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.